welcome to Rise, the perfect guide to online edtech platform. Myself, I am Vikram Reddy, lecturer in botany in Rise edtech platform. Today in botany, we learn a simple tip and trick in the chapter of biomolecules. The biomolecules, we have number of proteins, amino acids, nucleic acids will be there. So also same secondary metabolites all will be there. So in exam, there is a chance to ask question about the secondary metabolites. So what is secondary metabolites? So secondary metabolites are which will be extracted from the plant part to outside the plant body, which is not useful or not well-known functions. So how to remember these secondary metabolites? So a simple tip is that is Deepika Pillai late to party. So Deepika Pillai late to party is the simple tip to remember secondary metabolites. So on the Deepika is called as drugs which will be used in medicines. Pillai means pigments like anthocyanin, xanthophylls, carotenoids. In late, L means lectins, A means alkaloids, lectins, alkaloids, T means terpenoids, E means essential oils, that is lemongrass oil, lemongrass oil. In party, that is polymers. What is polymers? That is gums and resins will be comes in this polymers. So this is the most important tip and trick to remember secondary metabolite, that is Deepika Pillai late to party. For more tips and tricks, watch our channel. Thank you.